Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a last minute quick and easy Halloween tutorial. So basically what I did is I went to Target and Walmart and I got a bunch of shit and I'm gonna do a Halloween tutorial with it. So first I thought I would try to black out my eyebrows. It didn't really go as I planned because I really wanted to bring my eyebrows higher than they really were, but it didn't really work out. But if you guys want to do it and you guys want to do it right, then go ahead and do it. So what I did is I added the glue and then I brushed them up, but then I realized that it was easier for me to push them down with my finger, so that's what I ended up doing afterwards. And then after I applied the glue, I did apply some translucent powder, and this is my hard candy translucent powder. And then after that I added my Shape Tape matte foundation on top of them to blend them out. But as you guys are gonna see, it didn't really hide anything. You can still see my eyebrow hair. It's not as much as it was, but you can still see it through. So then I'm gonna start drawing my eyebrows. I really wanted to do them higher than they really were, as you can tell right there, because you can tell where the hair is. So that was my main plan. It didn't really work out, and I wanted to keep them this thin, but I don't know why I kept drawing them in and I made them thicker than they were, which they didn't come out that bad, but they were still pretty bad and they were pretty uneven, which I didn't really mind because it is for Halloween and it doesn't have to be perfect. And then after that I did clean them up a little bit with concealer, not to really clean them up but to hide the hair even more, which actually helped a lot. And I did go ahead and I set it, and I also primed my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm gonna be grabbing this brown shade, and this is gonna be my transition shade. I'm gonna put this on the eye and all over the lid like I always do. And then I'm gonna be grabbing this darker brown shade, and I'm gonna be applying this in the crease just to start deepening it up a little bit. And then after that I'm gonna be grabbing two darker brown shades at the bottom of the palette, and I'm gonna be focusing that in the crease only. That's why I am going to be using a smaller brush. And then after that I'm going to be grabbing this shimmery brown shade, and I'm going to be putting this all over the lid. I did wet the brush before I put it on there, and I also used my finger to apply some of the shimmer eyeshadow on the lid, just because I feel when you use your finger it actually brings out more of the pigment to the eye, which I really love doing that. And then I got the smaller brush again with the two brown shades, and I'm redefining the crease just to bring it back to life. Now I'm going to be grabbing my Jonte blue eyeliner, and of course I'm going to be winging it out, because I always have to wing out the eyeliner, because if I don't, who am I if I don't have eyeliner on? And then after that I am going to be applying some eyelashes. I bought these eyelashes from Walmart. They were less than $3, and I like them because they had a glitter on the thing, which I thought it would be perfect for a Halloween tutorial. That's why I got them, and I thought they were going to be uncomfortable, but they weren't. They were pretty comfortable and really easy to apply. And now I am going to be priming my face, but I'm not going to be using a cream primer or anything like that. I'm going to be using a mist. This one is the e.l.f. Oil Control Mist, just because I felt like if I used any other primer that wasn't a spray, it wouldn't help the tattoos to actually stick to the skin. So that's why I used the primer, and I primed my face because I am going to be adding face makeup. And I'm going to be adding the first set of tattoos, which look like stitches, and I'm going to be putting these on the sides of my face. And what I did is I pressed them down onto the skin. Then I did wet one of my sponges, and then I just patted it down until I felt like it was wet enough. And then I went ahead and I peeled off the white part, and I did that for I think 4 or 5 tattoos that I applied to my face. And I went with tattoos because you could draw them in, which would look better, but since it is technically a last minute Halloween costume, it would be way easier and way faster to achieve a Halloween look. So that's why I went with tattoos, and I repeated the same step for every tattoo that I wanted to apply to my face. And then after I applied them, I also went in with the sponge again just to pat them down, just to make sure that they weren't going to stick up or anything. And that actually helps to really blend in the edges and look a little bit more realistic. And I did get the tattoos from Target. I believe they were less than $3 or a little bit more than $3, and there's 13 in this pack right here. I did get 2 packs because I am going to be applying them for actual Halloween, so that's why I got an extra set. And then I'm going to be applying cream makeup. I'm going to be using a white one, and I did get this from Walmart. It was less than $1, and I'm going to be applying this all over the face. It's okay if you get it on the tattoos because I am going to go in later and clean them up with the wet sponge. You just want to apply this all over your face, but also make sure to apply it down your neck, depending on what shirt you're gonna wear, just to blend everything out and it won't look so uneven and stuff. And this face mask, if you pull it up, it could be full coverage, but I didn't want it to be full coverage, so I just patted it down and made it uneven. And then I went ahead and I cleaned up the tattoos with a wet wipey. Now I'm gonna be finishing the eyes. I'm gonna be mixing these 2 brown shades, and I'm gonna be using this to smoke out my bottom lash. And then after I smoke them out, I'm going to be applying eyeliner. I'm going to be using my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte. I'm going to be putting this in my waterline and also to tightline. Then after that, I am going to be grabbing my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lashes and also on my top lashes to blend them out with the fake eyelashes. Please, ladies, make sure you blend out your fake lashes with your real lashes. I go out and I see girls that have uneven eyelashes because they don't blend them out with mascara. Please do it because it looks ugly. But I mean, if you don't want to do that, you don't like to do that, then go ahead, you know, just an opinion, but you don't have to listen to me. Then after that, I'm going to be finishing up with the lips. I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte lip paint in the shade Cheerleader, and I'm going to be applying that all over the lips. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to be grabbing a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to be outlining the outside of the lips with the black one, just because I did want to do like an ombre effect. And I try not to do it so even. I try to do it really uneven because it is a Halloween tutorial and realistically it wouldn't look even. And then after I did the outline, I did grab a brush and I grabbed some more of the lipstick and I put that on top of the black eyeliner just to blend it out a little bit more. Now for the finishing touches, I'm going to be grabbing some Vampire Blood. I also got this from Walmart, and I'm going to be applying that just to the parts of my face and my neck where I feel it would need some blood. So I did that. You can do it however you want. I just kind of did it really sloppy. And then after that, you do want to go ahead and apply a wig if you would like. I did order this Monster Bride wig from Fingerhut like 2 weeks ago, so I really wanted to put it on, so that's the one I used. But you can find really affordable ones at Walmart or Target or even the dollar store. They're like $5. They look really unrealistic, but for Halloween it's okay. And this is the final look right here, you guys. I'm not sure how to call this, but it's something I pulled up together in the last minute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, and please give me ideas for Halloween tutorials for next year. Bye guys.